1 minute skate park guide, Pink Park, Bangkok, Thailand. This skate park is underneath a highway, and it's also next to a little canal system, so you can catch a boat here. It's a free park, and it's a bit of a DIY style park. Yeah. It's pretty old and it's a bit battered, but
Holes everywhere.
holes everywhere. What's it got, Hammer?
There's basically a row of quarter pipes at each end. The reason I was turning around is because it's not the safest spot, so I'm keeping an eye on the baggage. But yeah, good work, Chloe. We've got a row of quarter pipes at each end. Basically, some are wood with lots of holes in them. You got to really watch your footing. At the top of the coping as well, there's gaps missing. And then there's a concrete one at the other end of the canal. It's really nicely waxed. There's a little wall ride section there as well. Just be careful, don't put too much weight on it because it moves around a little bit. And there's some little fun boxes and rails, ledges and stuff in the middle. Little kind of wedge hip on the side. Yeah, if you're kind of in the area, it's definitely worth coming and checking out. And it's probably a very authentic Bangkok experience.
Yeah, it's very cool. And it's under rain now, but it's going to be dry under there. But I give it 2 Leos out of the 6-pack.
Yeah, I'll give it 1.5.